Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a lot of new updates, but some updates were not expected and Samsung is going to give us in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As per Ice Universe, another big update of Galaxy S23 Ultra is here. As you guys might not know, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with the new Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which will be close to Apple's Sapphire Glass. As per his information, the biggest difference between current generation Gorilla Glass and the new one is, it can hold or withstand drops from hardest surface. In lab test, it can hold about 1 meter drop on concrete surface, and Samsung is going to use this in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Not only on the front, but your new 200 megapixel camera will get this new glass, so it will be more durable and improve the quality and low light imaging. Although with adding this new glass, Samsung is also giving the user a new LTPO 3.0 display, which will be capable of going up to 20 to 100 nits peak brightness, 200 more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and become one of the brightest display. Samsung also worked on power efficiency on this display, and the good news is here, as this new display will be 45% more power efficient than the last generation, so you guys will get some amazing screen on time on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, do you guys use your phone with case or without case? And make sure to subscribe to the channel, as if you are using the case, Galaxy S23 Ultra and other two devices S23 and S23 Plus cases information is out, where we are going to get a leather cover and silicone cover with multiple colors. But most importantly, what color option we are going to get in the S23 Ultra is also here, as the S Pen confirms the color of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, where we are going to get a black, green, rose or light pink and beige. No white color available, but we may get more color options later near the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra. The new telephoto shooter of Galaxy S23 Ultra is getting an update, but it is nowhere near the competition. As stated by Ice Universe, as he checked the real samples of Galaxy S23 Ultra, stated, Galaxy S23 Ultra will end up on 3rd place and S22 Ultra will be on 4th place in the telephoto shooter performance. The 1st and the 2nd place will be taken by Vivo and Oppo, the Chinese companies. As Samsung was doing the same thing from last 2 years, where we get the same 10 megapixel 3x and 10x zoom option in the S21 Ultra, same with S22 Ultra, and now getting same 3x and 10x zoom on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Just getting a software update, which is not enough. As we are getting closer to the launch, things are getting clear. As per a report from South Korea, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be out in the early Feb, and Samsung is going to do this unpack event in person in San Francisco. If you guys want to see the real sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera, then make sure to watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.